Yuvu Mum.
Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Yuvu Mum. Today, we're coloring 3 tasty fruits. Who love to have fun? Are you ready? Grab your crayons and let's start. First up, look who's smiling at us. It's our happy red apple. Let's pick a bright red crayon. And color, color, color. Whoa! Apple looks so shiny now. Just like a yummy apple in your lunchbox. Now it's mango time. Let's grab yellow and orange. Color. 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 Look at that! Our mango is turning juicy and bright. Now let's blend with some orange, brown and red color. Red tongue. Let's color the leaf green. Wow, the king of fruits looks amazing. Mango is holding a juice glass. Let's fill brown, yellow, and orange color for the juice, and blue color for the glass. There we go, it looks super yummy now. Let's color its boot with orange and black color. We missed to color Apple's boot. Let's color it now. Time for the funny banana. Banana says, "Color me yellow, please." Okay, banana, here we go. Smooth yellow strokes. Now let's add a little brown to give it a real look. Red color for the mouth. Okay, little artists, look at this big white area at the bottom. It's all empty. Let's take our blue crayon and fill it eye. Color, color, color. Nice and smooth. Whoa! Now the white space has turned into a bright blue splash. Great job, everyone! Our apple, mango, banana, and the blue ground are all beautifully colored. Keep coloring, keep smiling.
Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye, friends. See you soon.